Okay guys, today is lesson 12-4. But before we start on our lesson, I want to play one of our little games. So here we have 10. What is 10 plus 6? 16. Let's see if you can beat me. What is 10 plus 1? 11. What about 10 plus 3? 13. 10 plus 8, 18. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 5, 15. Just kidding, it's 15, not 15. 10 plus 4, 14. Good job. Okay, go ahead and get your paper out and start by writing your name. Now you can do this in pencil or crayon. Remember that if you do it in crayon and you make a mistake, you can just cross it out. I am going to be doing this in crayon so that you are able to see everything that I write. So this chapter, again, is all about subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. So if you look at the very first one, we are going to count back and write the answer. So how many do we have in this 10 frame? How many chips? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? It says take away 0. 0 means nothing. So what are we going to take away? Nothing. So then how many do we have left in that 10 frame? Yeah, we still have 4. So our answer is 4. On this side, how many chips do we have in the 10 frame? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 chips. It says take away 2. So you can take 2 away. I just crossed mine out. And how many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 left. See how easy it is? Okay, let's do the next one. How many chips do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take away 3. So we're taking 3 away. 1, 2, 3. How many do we have left now? 1, 2, 3. Good job. So we had 6. We took away 3. We are left with 3. Next one. Whoa, that's an easy one. It's all filled up. So how many chips do we have? Yeah, we have 10 because it's a 10 frame. We don't need to count them. I love it. You're so fast. And it says take away 1. So let's take one of them away. Now, some of you, I think you already know what it is. But if you don't know, you can go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's our next one. How many chips do we have? 2. Take away 0. I love it. I love it. When we don't have to take any away. 0 is so fun. He's such a fun number. Here's the next one. How many do we have? Yep, some of you remember from the beginning of the year, we have 5. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. I took 3 of them away. How many are left? 2. Here's our favorite again with Mr. 0. Right away, you probably already know. Okay, how many chips do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, take away 0 is what? Yep, 7. He stays the same. And our last one on this page, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 2. Taking those away. And how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Okay, let's turn our paper around. Ooh, I love all these illustrations. So let's start by writing our name at the top. Here we go. Now it says directions. Write the missing symbols. Now symbols means like a plus or a takeaway. And numbers to make the statement true. Statement is like our sentence, okay? It's in math. This is our statement. Whoops, sorry. So I don't know about you, but I already see some things that are missing. Here's our equal sign. Can you say equals? Yeah, that just means this is what our answer is. We have our illustration up here. I see a number 2. Okay, so we have to write the missing symbol and the missing numbers to make this true. You ready? So let's start by counting how many dogs there are. In subtraction, we always start with a bigger number first. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many do we have total? We have 7. Now, today is all about the subtraction sign. He's also called a minus sign, okay? So he's just a little line like this. Minus. So just make a little line. That means we're going to be taking some away. That's what that means. The other one with the plus that we've done means we're adding. We're not doing that anymore, not in this chapter. It's all about minus. 7 minus 2. That means we are taking 2 away. We are taking them away. So let's go ahead and cross out 2 of those dogs. Okay, now how many are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. So this is our statement. We just finished it. This statement says 7 minus 2 equals 5. This means that we started with 7 dogs. We took away 2, and now we have 5 left. Good job. Okay, let's go on to the froggies. Ready? I see a lot of them. Let's get counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a lot of frogs. So how many total frogs do we have? Yeah, we have 10. So that's what we write down. We started with 10 frogs. Now we need to write our missing symbol, which is the minus sign. Just a little line. And what can you say minus sign? Minus sign. Good. What does this guy mean? Are we going to add 5 more? Or are we going to take away 5? Yeah, we're going to take away. That's what that means, okay? So we had 10 frogs. Ta-da! we are taking away 5 of them. Any 5 frogs you want. 1 frog, 2, 3, 4, 5 frogs. Okay, we took those away. So we had 10 frogs minus 5. We took 5 of them away. Equals, now how many are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So there's our statement. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Now, if you want to say the word takeaway like we did on the other side, takeaway, it is perfect too. Listen, 10 take away 5 equals 5. So they both make sense. You can either say minus or you can say take away. It means the same thing. Let's go to the kitty cats. We start with the biggest number, how many there are in total. You ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 kitty cats. Let's put our missing symbol, the minus. And this says 8 minus 4. So 4 are going away. Let's cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had 8 cats minus 4, those left, equals this many. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. And now we have the little bunnies. You ready for this? Let's count how many there are total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 6 bunnies. Let's write our missing symbol, Mr. Minus sign. And we have 6 minus 6. So we have to take 6 of those away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Equals, how many are left? You're right. None of them are left. We had 6 and we took away all 6 of them. So there's nothing left. And you want to know a little secret? This works every time it's the same number. So if you have 1 minus 1, you're left with 0. If you have 3 minus 3, you're left with 0. I love that. Well, thank you so much for joining me today in learning some more subtraction, and I'll see you for the next lesson.